Two titans of web hosting, each promising top performance for your site. DreamHost versus A2 hosting. Which one really delivers? On the left, DreamHost, known for simple, reliable hosting. And on the right, A2 hosting, famed for supercharged high-speed servers. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Let's look at our roadmap. We're comparing these hosts across price, performance, data centers, security, features, ease of use, and support. I'll walk you through each, sharing messy details, cool quirks, and those little wait what moments. Ready? Let's do this. Alright, kicking off with price, because honestly, who doesn't want the best bang for their buck? DreamHost starts at a super competitive $2.59 a month for shared hosting. What I like is their transparent renewal pricing, no sneaky surprises. Downside, fewer deep discounts on those short-term like quick and dirty plans. Now A2 hosting. Oh, and here's something cool, it sometimes dips to just $1.95 a month with those crazy promo codes flying around. But heads up, that renewal price, yeah, it jumps pretty hard when your contract is up. Between the two, A2 hosting just edges DreamHost out here by being a little cheaper up front. Next up, performance, which, let's be real, is a deal-breaker. So DreamHost boasts this wild 99.99 to 100% uptime guarantee. Fast too, with an average response of about 231 milliseconds. The catch? Only 2 data centers, both just sitting in the US. Meanwhile, A2 hosting slaps in turbo servers with faster CPUs, NVMe, and lightspeed caching. Like, if you geek out over hardware, it's fun. It handled more traffic in stress tests. But yeah, average response was slower, around 597 milliseconds. It's kinda one-ups the other in different stuff, so I'm calling this matchup a tie. Seriously, it depends which kind of speed matters to you. Alright, so where are your sites gonna live? DreamHost keeps it cozy, hosting all in Virginia and Oregon, reliable if your peeps are mostly US-based, but zero overseas options. Meanwhile, A2 hosting goes worldwide, 4 data centers stretching from the US to Amsterdam and Singapore. If you care about global reach and lower latency for non-US visitors, A2 hosting is clearly the champ here. Quick pause, did you know A2 hosting actually got its name from Ann Arbor, Michigan, hence A2? And DreamHost, over 400,000 active users. Kinda wild, right? These aren't just random companies in the crowd. Security, if you're paranoid about hackers or, like me, just lazy with updates sometimes, DreamHost's got your back. Free SSL, domain privacy, daily backups, plus malware remover on most plans. The downside is that top-tier malware removal only shows up on their fancier packages. Now, A2 hosting, they dish out free SSL, DDoS protection, and pretty solid built-in features, but you gotta pay up for some of those more advanced security tools if you really want them. So this round, DreamHost wins for having more included security out of the box. Features, cause nobody wants a boring host. DreamHost gives you a simple custom control panel and deep WordPress love, but their control panel is cPanel, so if you're used to that classic look, it might feel a bit weird. A2 hosting absolutely packs in the features, developer tools, all the geeky software, and yes, real cPanel support. The flip side, if you're new, it might actually overwhelm you. But overall, more options is always a plus, so A2 hosting takes this win. How's the experience for newbies? DreamHost really nails it. Super clean interface, easy setup guides. Even if their panel isn't standard, it feels built for first-timers. A2 hosting caters to advanced users, so it's great if you know what you're doing. But the interface looks pretty dated, and honestly, beginners might get lost in the menus. So yep, DreamHost is the easy winner, especially if you're just getting started. Support, because nobody wants downtime drama. DreamHost has 24/7 live chat and tickets plus a seriously good knowledge base. Small bummer, phone support costs extra. A2 hosting. They throw you ticket, chat, and even phone support any hour, any day, literally 365 days. User reviews say it's solid, but phone wait times can drag. It's honestly hard to pick. Both have their quirks, so I'm calling this category a tie. Visual time, let's pull up the radar chart where you can see exactly how DreamHost and A2 hosting stack up in our categories. Like, does one absolutely crush the other, or are they trading blows all the way through? Check it out. Alright, let's wrap this up. If you want easy site management, real peace of mind from security, and your audience is mainly US-based, DreamHost makes things simple for you. If you're chasing raw speed, need servers around the globe, or want a lot of developer features, A2 Hosting's got more oomph. Honestly, neither is wrong, but your personal pick really depends on what you care about. For these categories, DreamHost for security and ease, A2 Hosting for price, global reach, and features. Got questions on web hosting before your next big project? Bookmark this guide. I'll keep the breakdowns coming so you're never left in the digital dark. Good luck.